Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we got an awesome product to review. I want to share what we got guys. LED light bulbs, but it's not an ordinary cheap made LED light bulbs. I'm really picky about LED light bulbs because some I had bad experience in the past. So I found this company right here guys, and they offered us to send us a pair to look at them and see what we think about it. Okay guys, this is the company right here. This is the bulb, waterproof bulb, 360 degree adjustable. That's what got me guys. 360 degree, you can turn the front part of the bulb where the LED chips are, so you can get the right pattern, okay? And you can have 3 different lights. And how they do that, let me show you the lights first. Okay, you have 3000, okay, 3K, 6.5K and 8K color temperature, 30,000 hours warranty on the LED part. Okay, so let's see exactly what it looks like now, and we'll put them on that Mercedes and see what we think about that. Comes with the manual guys. Okay, it explains you how to put them on, okay, how to assemble it, all that stuff, so that's great. Okay, and let me show you now, those are the filters here for the different light. So all you need to do is just put it on the light bulb. Not very complicated at all. And this is the light bulb, and it has a special heat sink, special design, so it doesn't have a fan. That's what I like about it. Okay, this is the bulb right here, super light, no fan. Okay, and you can see how adjustable it is. Super sweet deal. Because sometimes you put LED lights and they point in the sky instead of going towards more to the right and left, so you can see wider angle of the road, you see the sky. So let's give it a try. Let's see how they're going to work on that Mercedes. Now here it's a CLK W208 convertible guys that we've been working on lately. So we're gonna just remove the airbox quick so we can actually get to the headlight bulb, because it's a limited space in that vehicle and it takes only a minute to remove the airbox anyways. So we'll see how the installation will go now. Okay, and I think I'm definitely probably buying another one of those, because it just feels like a well built light bulb. Alright guys, we got the box out of the way, so we have all the room that we need now. Okay, we'll remove the cap now and let's see how we can get to the bulb. Okay, this is the old bulb right here, and now you can see it has the same design. Okay, it's supposed to clip the same way. So what we're going to do now, okay, get it in, okay, like that, yeah. And now we'll need to spread those things to go around the bulb, and we'll need to lock it in place. Okay, we got the bulb in. We're going to connect the light now. Okay, and I've heard different stories about leaving the cap on, off for heat distribution, but I don't know, depends. Do your research for your vehicle, and let's see how that thing is going to perform compared to the other side now. Really excited about it. Alright guys, the moment of the truth. Let's turn it on now. Wow, look at that thing. And it didn't even blind the camera. Okay, what I like about it, the pattern looks really good compared to other LED bulbs. Okay, and check it out on the door as well. You can see it hits at the same level the original headlight does. Okay, check it out right there. So you've seen other ones that we've done LEDs, they'll go all the way up, all the way down, and this one is right where it's supposed to be. Definitely will recommend that, guys, with the 360-degree adjustable base. Okay, check out what we have on this side here. Okay, and that's what we have right here. Pretty cool, huh? So definitely recommend them, guys. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe, guys. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.